Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these lashes, but let's go and get right into this. So as you can see, these are no glue needed DIY lash clusters, extensions. Let me go ahead and show you what this looks like. I've actually not used this brand before, so I'm always excited to try out new lashes for you guys to let you guys know how they actually work. That way you don't have to buy them if they're not that great. So in here you'll get the lashes and some tweezers. So they're not bad tweezers. You can see right there. Super nice. And it looks like they're already mapped out lashes. So you don't have to guess which ones go where. You can see they're already kind of mapped out for you. I'm going to actually start from the inner corner and work my way outwards. This glue is very sticky. So all I like to do, I like to look down, go right underneath the lash. And just stick it on like so. So that's the first one. Cute. This is the second lash. Again, look down. This one, the glue kind of came off. So on this one, the glue did come off completely. So I'm going to put some lash bond on because otherwise it's not going to stick. So you can get this. They have clayless and other ones as well. You just put a little bit just like that. And I'm going to put a little bit on top of this since that glue did come off. It stuck to the thing itself. And I want to make sure that these last. So now I'm just going to go right underneath there. And place that just like that. Let's go ahead and do the next one over. Again, sticks no problem. And then I got one more. Honestly, I could actually use one more on this eye, so I am going to go in with another one from another set. Just because I have almond-shaped eyes, so they're a little wider. And I did go kind of a lot more inwards. So about right there. Okay, and you can see that's what it looks like. So this is before, that is after. Obviously a big difference. Let me go ahead. I'm going to apply this eye off camera and show you what it looks like once it's done. So these lashes, I don't know if I mentioned, they are by this brand right here, which I will link them down in the description box below anyway. But that is what it looks like with both lashes on. They are very natural. So if you're not someone that's looking for anything like kind of extreme, I think these would be perfect for you. And you don't have to use glue, so that's a plus. I like my lashes to last at least 2 weeks, so I like to add glue even if it's self-adhesive lashes, just because you're going to get a longer wear out of them. But I do like these. They're not my favorite, but they're also not bad. I think they look just very natural. I like more bold lashes that are going to last me a while. And if you did want these to be a little bold, like a little more bold, you could also stack them, just like put multiple on top of each other, and it would just kind of bring them out a little more. But they're actually pretty. That's like a close-up on what it looks like. This is down. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like this set? Do you guys want me to do more reviews like that? Please just let me know down in the comment section below. Okay, so I went ahead and I double stacked them. I did 2 sets. So I wanted to show you what it looks like with that on. Kind of just makes it a little darker. And all you do, let me go ahead and show you with this one right here. you just grab it and you just put it on top of the lashes that you already have, and that's going to make like a big difference on like how bold it is. So you see, find an empty space and then you just put it. So you can see, just going to make them look more fluffy and just like fuller. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.